Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi everyone. I have one equation from my lecturer, which mean I need to calculate and I need to solve the equation. Let's see the equation. Okay, this is the equation is the Lab 2 Boss Level Challenge EEED 251 Microcontroller and Interfacing Lab. The equation is wait. The equation is the okay. This first equation. Okay, write an assembly program to perform the addition operation of all digits in your student ID. For example, if your student ID is DE 92727, your assembly code should perform the addition of 0x 92 plus 0x 72 plus 0x 7. Okay, for my student ID is DE 69 562. Okay, 96562. This is my student ID. Okay, which mean I need to sum, or I need to make the addition process 0x 96 plus 0x 56 and plus 0x 0x02. Okay, store the result of the addition in port D. Okay, after I calculate, I need to put at the port D pins of PIC 18F4550. Use, and then for the next equation, use the watch functionality in MPLAB to show that your result is correct. Okay. Actually, for the code I already finished for the code, and I don't finish to watch functionality yet. Okay, then we'll go to MPLAB. Okay, this is a MPLAB IDE. Also, I use the same MPLAB for your information in previous video. I also use the MPLAB version, MPLAB IDE version 8.92, and then this is my code. Okay, this is my code. Make the large. Okay, this is my code that I write. Okay, first line hashtag include. This is template. This is template. Sorry, this is a template. Okay, this is a template. Never mind. I will write template code. Okay, template. Template code. And then okay, start clear F 3D. That mean the all of pin at the port D, I make the output. Okay, I make the output. And then clear port D, I give the value of the port D, all port D pin, because at the port D we have a parallel port. And then clear I give the value of the all the port D, I give the value 0. And then move literal to working register. The number is the 0x96. 0x, which mean the hexadecimal form, the in hexadecimal form. And then I'll move the working register to file which with addressing 0x10. And then I make another value, and move literal to the working register at the number, and I give the number is the 0x56 because my ID, remember my ID is 96556. Okay, for the second I give the number 56. And then I move the working register to file at the address 0x11. I move file, okay, I move file 0x10, which means that I put the value 0x96. Okay, 0x96 at the address 0x10. And I move to working register. Okay, I move to working register at the value 0x56. And then in working register, override the number of the 0x56, which mean in working register have only one number, which mean is zero sorry number 50 okay. For now working register have only one number is 0x96. Okay, and then I add a working register to file from file. Okay, 0x11. Okay, 0x11, the value of the value of address 0x11 is 0x56. Okay, 0x56, I I I add with the working register number, which mean the last I put the number is 0x96. Okay, which that's mean 0x96 will plus to 0x52. And then for the last ID number is 2, and I put the literal to working register is the 2, 0x02, which mean after 0x96 have finished plus with 0x56, and will plus again with the 0x02. And then I move the working register to file at the port D, because the equation want to show the result at the port D. And then for the okay, for the equation also want to use the watch functionality in MPLAB to show that your result is correct. Okay, and then this is a okay, click debugger, select tool, Okay, use the MPLab sim, and then you will show this panel. Okay, this panel uh, up. Then click view, wash. Sorry, you need to view first, then view. Okay. Okay, after view success, and then you click the view, wash, and then you update here. If you want to port D, sorry, we'll go to port D. Where port D? Okay, this one. Then we click. Okay, we click here. See, this is a value at the WREG. G is a so EE, which mean 1515 1515, because it in hexadecimal number. Then search the 3D. The 3D here. Okay, this is all value I get from the code. I will try use the calculator. I will try to use the calculator. Okay, the calculator, and I give the number mine ID 96 plus 76 sorry 96 plus 56, and then plus with 02. Okay, this is my calculator, and I will click equal. I will press the equal. Okay, we show. Okay, this is in hexadecimal number. Okay, which means same as same with this 0xEE. Okay, okay, that's same from this one. Sorry, and I will convert EE to binary. You just you just press here at the log, just press. Okay, this is answer in binary form, which mean uh 0111 0111. Okay, uh, we we will compare from the wash result. Sorry. Okay, this is a result for the wash. Was like same 0111 0111. Okay, same. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching, and good luck for your future, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you for my lecturer.